She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, April the 20th, and it's the beginning of the week, so I thought I start again with another what I eat in a day video. As always, I always like to start with my cup of lemon water. I always like debate what I should eat in the morning. I always think about it for a long time, but I think I finally just gonna decided just to eat my homemade bagels. It's made only with just Greek yogurt and whole wheat flour and some baking powder, but it's super easy to make, and I think I'm gonna eat another one of these bagels with some, I guess, avocado, because there's half an avocado in the fridge, so I'm gonna spread this on top and then maybe also boil an egg for extra protein. So yeah, I'm gonna start making my breakfast because I'm super hungry. Here's the finished product. Here's the bagel and boiled egg and some arugula salad underneath. I'm so excited to eat it. I'm so hungry. This is honestly so good. I honestly 10 out of 10 recommend this recipe. But yeah, I'll link the recipe down below just in case, but super easy. I also topped mine off with some dried herbs, so it gives it a little bit of that aroma. Just super good, dry herbs. I can't really believe it's made without any yeast because it's super airy inside, just like a normal bagel. And because of the Greek yogurt, it has that slight fermented sourdough taste, which makes it a lot more like bagel. So right now the time is about 2 something in the afternoon, and I've just made myself a cup of matcha latte. It's been about almost 3 hours since breakfast. I'm just getting in my caffeine of the day. I need caffeine every single day now that I stay at home 24/7. I just find that it really gives me energy. I guess the concept of drinking a cup of coffee or tea every single day just motivates me a little bit, something that I look forward to. So yeah, today I chose matcha. I usually switch between matcha or coffee, so there's a little bit of variety between the type of caffeine I drink. I'm gonna drink this and maybe do a workout later and then eat my afternoon lunch / snack before dinner, pre-dinner. I don't know, it's pretty messed up because I wake up pretty late every single day, so my lunchtime is usually afternoon tea. Yeah, I don't know if I should even call it 3 meals a day because it's not really a meal anymore. Instead of lunch, I just snack on a light afternoon snack and then wait for dinner. I'll see you guys later when I eat again. So yeah, I guess this is just gonna be my super late afternoon lunch slash pre-dinner meal. Because I don't want to get like too full before dinner. So I'm just gonna eat this so I'm not like starving or anything. It's getting a little late. I know it's still super bright outside and it looks super nice. And yeah, but it's actually about to hit sunset and it's already almost 7 p.m. I believe. So I'm gonna probably head down and make dinner for the family. Tonight, I think we're having a full Korean meal. I'm planning to make budae-jjigae, which is like the Korean army stew. You guys probably already all heard of it. Super yummy, a little bit not healthy, but super good. And also gonna steam up some of the frozen dumplings that I got from a Korean market the other day from grocery shopping. And I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. So this is our budae-jjigae Korean army stew. It looks so good. Literally has everything in it, like ramen, rice cake, spam, beef, and cabbage. Ready to eat. And also we steamed up some of those Korean dumplings that I got from Korean supermarkets. So big.
不错，你饭饺子真挺好吃的，一袋多少个？
You guys, it's the end of the night, but it's not really the end because I haven't had my dessert yet. And I actually just received the package today and I ordered some unsweetened dark chocolate online. And yeah, this is like a chocolate brand that I've been loving lately. It's called Lily's. It's like naturally sweetened with stevia. Yeah, I got this like intense dark chocolate. It's 92% dark chocolate, super intense. I'm gonna like, it's my first time having this flavor, so I'm gonna give it a try today. Okay, I will say like the 92% dark chocolate, it's pretty good. It's like, it's definitely a lot more bitter than like the regular dark chocolate that's like only like 70%. But like I really like slightly bitter stuff. So yeah, I actually really enjoy this like intense dark chocolate flavor. This Lily's chocolate brand is like all super good. This peanut butter chocolate cup is also one of my favorite products that they have. You guys have to give it a try. It's like, it has like 0 sugar, but it's naturally sweetened with stevia. And yeah, it honestly just tastes like a Reese's cup, peanut butter cup. Super nice. Yeah, I think that's gonna end the night for this what I eat in a day video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm planning to do a lot more what I eat in a video, just documenting, you know, what I actually realistically eat every single day during this quarantine. And yeah, so I'm gonna check back in tomorrow morning. Please like and subscribe and comment down below on, like, you know, what type of videos you guys would want me to film. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I am literally sitting on the floor right now against my bed. And here is the little working desk that I just created for myself. Super nice. It's honestly like the perfect like height like for working, like the perfect position. Like it's really comfortable as well. Yeah, I've never noticed like I could like actually work from my bedroom. But yeah, I just created a little working desk and it's honestly so comfortable. I guess I'm gonna hang out a lot more in my bedroom now that I created this little seating position. And I think it's like also pretty good for my spine because like I don't have to like lean back as much. If I were to like lay on bed, then like I would like, you know, like have to crouch or like lay on like soft pillows, but this way I'm forced to be upright when I type on my laptop. So it's really nice.